Hi, I'm Kieran. Traditional flight search and booking still feels slow, repetitive, and confusing. So I built a new flight booking system that uses multiple AI agents working together, powered by Google ADK, Gemini, and fully containerized microservices. I redesigned this using small independent components like tiny apps that handle tasks separately and adapt instantly. At the center is the orchestrator, which understands what the user wants, breaks the request into steps, and assigns each step to the right AI agent using Gemini's reasoning power. When someone searches for a route, the search agent contacts the search service and returns clean, organized flight options immediately. When a flight is chosen, the booking agent starts the booking process and generates a confirmed booking ID. Built with fast API, Docker Compose, and a simple Streamlit UI, the system is modular, scalable, and ready for cloud deployment. By incorporating enhancements like real airline API connectivity, predictive fare analytics, cloud-native scaling, secure payments and identity modules, and an intelligent recommendation agent, the system can evolve into a truly autonomous travel platform. Thanks for watching, and welcome to the future of intelligent booking.